Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to log back into your Monopoly Go account, in today's video, I'm gonna make it easy for you. So first thing first, you have to access your settings application. Scroll all the way below and tap onto apps. At the section, you will see a list of all the applications that you have downloaded in your device. Tap at the search bar, type in Monopoly Go. Then tap onto your app. Scroll below, tap storage. Here, tap on Clear Data. As soon as you clear this application's data, it will ask you to re-log in. And that is exactly what we want. So tap Delete, wait for this to load, and then now launch Monopoly Go application. As you launch your app, it will see as if you have just installed Monopoly Go for the first time in your device. So wait for this to load completely. Now at the section here, you can also give any age that you would like. Tap I agree, and it says play with friends. And likewise, go ahead, repeat the same process and connect your Facebook. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is.